Nice. I've got to sort of choose my spots a little. I've got to choose my spots a little to fit my clips in. Clip it up and then adjust it into position, DIYs. Now I hope this is making Jeffo happy. Jeff lets me know if I'm not explaining things enough. I hope this is adequate, young Jeff. No, I love your comments, mate. Keep them going. It's something I've had to learn to do all this. I've learned to be a tiler, but I haven't learned to be a video editor, but I'm learning real quick. Where is my rubber hammer? There. So it looks like it's going to be a fine day out there. 5:30 this morning, it was hosing down. I don't like that. I need to trim a little bit off this one. Just to drop it down a little, even though it's pretty exact. I need to drop it down. This one is making my lines not right. So let's just trim a bit off the bottom and drop it down. Let's just take a couple of mil off. Even though it's just 3 tiles, by the time I get to the next one, it'll be not right. The lines won't line up properly. So let's just take a little bit off at the bottom and drop it slightly. Because these are a sizy tile, you've got to take a few drastic measures. I suggest a very light silver grey grout for these walls and floors. Any other colour won't be right. Light grey is the go for the grout. Okay, we'll try again. It doesn't matter how I comb my glue. There's no water flowing down the wall like in a shower. Right, I've dropped it down just a little tittle. I hadn't pressed in my tile, but I saw that there was a better coverage there than what I had there, so let's just pop a little bit of glue there. It wasn't in the right position. Pop it in there. Okay, now I can adjust it up slightly until my line is right there, being a little bit higher up off the floor. I would have been in trouble if I didn't take a bit off that bottom tile. I priced a job on Saturday morning and got it. I knew I had it, or they knew they were going to choose me before I even got there. Anyway, I told him my price and he said yes straight away. But it's a house that termites, they're they live in the hinterland, which means that there's a fair bit of bush around the house, and termites had got into the house. They bought it like it, and they would have bought it at a full-on reduced price. But whoa, the termites